In this video, I will show you server upgrading TikTok live problem. Sometimes the server upgrading messages means TikTok is upgrading their servers, and here's how to check. Open a web browser and visit a site like Down Detector, and once you open the website, look for the search icon and then type TikTok in the search bar and check if there is a widespread outage or server issues. If there are reports of outages, you will need to wait for the TikTok to finish its server upgrades. Usually these issues are resolved within a few hours. And if the issue is not related to the TikTok servers, it could be a temporary glitch with the app. For this, clearing the cache can often fix minor bugs and performance issues. Hold the TikTok app and now tap on App Info. In the App Info section, click on Storage and Cache. So in this section, click on Clear Cache and then restart the app. Using an outdated version of app can also trigger server issues. Here's how to check for the updates. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok in the search bar. If an update is available, you will see the option to update. Tap on it to install the latest version, and once the update is done, open the app and see if the problem is resolved.